Okay, we're at about 8,350 hertz. Duty cycle, we have it turned all the way up, about 85% duty cycle. We're running square waves again. Square waves, there you go. Anyhow, what I wanted to show you is that the higher this thing goes on frequency, the less controllability we have as far as controlling the voltage output. Right now we're at around 85% duty cycle. We're going to turn it down to the minimum, which is 15. And you can see we're not going to be changing that much. Down to about 10, 10.1, and it was, go back up again, 11.2, about 1.2 volts. That's all you're going to drop down at this high of a frequency. And we're going to show you, this is the gate drive. This is the voltage going to the MOSFET switcher itself from the MOSFET driver. That's at 85% duty cycle. We're going to drop it down to 15%. So we lost about half the voltage, and that really doesn't have much to do with the output here. We can turn that output or that gate drive voltage up a bit, and generally it won't affect this thing at all. What does affect this output is, of course, the duty cycle. We had very good controllability as far as the voltage when we were down about 10 cycles per second, and it got progressively worse as we went up to about 80. Oh, it shows 16,000 right now. I don't know why. It's showing that's affected also by the duty cycle. I'm going to drop the duty cycle back down. You can see it's getting reflections back in through the cable, so that's why this is very sensitive here. When it's getting reflections coming back from the driver, it will do crazy things like that. That's at 15. That's at 85% duty cycle, and we restricted it. And you can see it's going to start to get squirrely again here. Right there. That's about 75% duty cycle. We're going to drop it back down. Okay, that's back to where it should be. And the duty cycle is in the 70-something% range. Again, the voltage. And we'll turn the duty cycle all the way up. It actually went down. Yeah, that's right. That's at 85% duty cycle. And this is at 15%. 15% duty cycle. 85%. And it's running a little quieter now at this higher of a frequency than it was down 10 cycles. And again, it's running very cool.